Okay, so today I'm going to share three problems that we probably have. Actually, I use Puppy Linux just for fun. My main distro is OpenSUSE, and I use it as my daily driver for work, and this one only for fun. And when I use OpenSUSE, like everything already there, I don't have any problem. And also the community is like quite a lot, and I got like all the information there, but not for Puppy Linux. Like if you want to use this one, there's a lot of problem, and the community is not large enough to give you like all the questions that you have. So when looking around on the internet, I see there are several things that's still in discussion, and some of them maybe already have the solution but don't have a summarize. So right now I want to summarize like three things that being asked a lot around Puppy Linux. The first one is about the how to install in hardware. Normally we use the USB to use Puppy Linux, but if you do want to install in the hardware, I will show you the simple way. And I have to say there's many ways to install. They also have a completely install in the hardware or something like that. So my sharing is just focus on as simple as possible for, like, I have to say, for the dummy who just want to use it, to install in the hardware and use it in a very simple way. Okay, so first of all, of course, you have to boot the Puppy Linux from the USB. I don't need to talk about this, you already know how to do it. And then when you boot successfully from the USB, then there would be like two things you need to do. The first is you have to do the partition. You have to divide the memory into like two parts. The first one is this one for the boot partition, and it has to be for F8032, and the second one is for like file system, the rest of your memory. And I see in the recommend in this what it should be ext3, but I think you should format to ext4. That would be better. I already tried and no problem at all, it worked well. And for the partition, you can go like, it already have the tool for you to do that. They have the G partition already here for you, right here, G parted. You can do it. This one can be applied if you want to boot your system with Windows, with other Linux distro. You just spare the memory that you want to install Puppy Linux, and then you do the same method, and then you can have like 2 or 3 operation system run at the same time in your laptop. Okay. For the partition, that's it. You just need to do that. And then the next step, you copy the system file and set boot. That's it, very simple. But how to do this? You need to install this one. We have the Fugo Pop installers. For some version of Puppy Linux, it's already here already. You just open the software and do it. But for some version, this package is not here yet. So first of all, you have to open package manager, and then you do like Fugo, and it's right here. You can install Auto or classic, or it's up to you. And then when you install it, it will appear here, and then you go right here. Yep. And yeah, and you click on this one, just the first one. For the other one, you just spend your time to look at it. You go to the first one, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options, but you just only care in 2. Like copy the system file first, second set boot. Secondly, so just two of them. So the first one, I don't care. This one, I don't care. For this one, this is the part that you copy. You copy the system file, copy to the memory. You can use the ISO file already there, or you can use this copy. For the ISO file, this is the file that you download from the internet, and this doesn't include any setting you already done before on your USB. And if you use this one, this means it will take the operation right in from the USB to the hardware. It keeps all the settings, so it's set to you. You can do this or this, and then you click OK, and just next. Don't care any following step. Just take a look and then next. OK, and then we're done. We've done the first step. The second, set boot. You go right here. Yep. And then it right here is a partition like this one. The one you set. Be careful with the partition from your Windows or other operation system. You set this one, the new one. So you click on that one. When you click on that one, like this one, yep. The first question that asked would be, you just OK, click OK, and yeah, of course, because I already done this, and then you click next, and that would be appear like one more window that will ask you where you copy that one, where you copy the boot file to the boot partition. So where you copy, you should choose this one. I mean, where you copy, you choose this one. You choose this partition, and then the next window will appear. Will ask you where you want to put it in. So you click on this one, and then done. And then you reboot the system. You take out your USB, and then we finish the install. So the populated will automatically restart from your hardware and copy to RAM, and then they will run. That's it, very easy. The next problem we have is about the Ibus. For OpenSUSE, when I install Ibus, and then I use unikey to tie Vietnamese. So everything just there. When I install, like everything automatically work for me. But not for populated. We have two problems. The first one is Ibus doesn't automatically start up after we boot the system. The second thing, even it started, we cannot tie Vietnamese. So two problems. To solve this one, so we need to do is that first of all we need to install like all of the package. So to install the package, you just search the package, okay? Search, and then Ibus, the Ibus unikey, like this one. So it should be here, yeah, right here, and everything install Ibus unikey, and then you click enter. And then you will install this one, and then you go one by one for all the package. That is the complicated way to do. There is another simple way. I just want to do this one on the terminal to make me dangerous, but actually more easier. You do this one. You go right here, and then you just find it. First, you need to do like Ibus unikey. This one. Right here, you click like install, because I already installed this one. You click like mark for installation. When you install Ibus unikey, it will automatically install this one. So we're done. And then you looking for this one, install, and this one install, done. Okay, first step. The second step, we try to edit this file. It's a little bit different from the default of the Ibus. I remember the Ibus, they have like other file like bash or something, I don't remember. But for Puppy, it's kind of like special. We edit this file. So we can use Vim, Nano, or Rini to edit. And we add this one into the file. Okay, let me do it for you guys. So for me I use Winnie. Okay, and then you just go there. Okay, right here I already done it. And when you scroll down, you will see this one already there, which current blah blah blah, something like that. So we insert like this one right in front of this one. When you scroll down, you will see this. No worry. Okay, and then we save. That's it. Easy. And then we open the terminal with executive. This one. You can see. And then you click enter, and then we go with this one at the same. You click enter, and then you reboot the system. You reboot your system. When you reboot your system, you will open the Ibus. Well, when you want to open it, you go to Ibus, setup, you click enter, and then you open it. You add the unikey or any other language you want to type. You add in there, and then you reboot again. And after that, I think you can be like tie in the language that you want to do. For my case is the unikey. Okay. Let me see. Okay, it goes well. So finally, we had a problem of brightness. In my Linux distro Puppy, I use the vanilla, and I have a problem that every I can adjust the brightness right on my keyboard. That's good. It's already include that driver. Excellent. But the problem is that every time when I restart my laptop, so the brightness like come back to the maximum. So to fix that one, so there are many ways. I see there are many ways. So I just show you one of the way to do that. So you edit this one. Once again, you can use Winnie, or you can use like any other text editor like Vim, Nano, something like that. So I use Winnie. This one. You see right here, I add this one. This means like it's automatically run this one when it start up, and I set like 250. So you can set like higher for brighter or lower. It's set to you, and then it will start up like right in the one that you want to do this. Actually, there should be another better way that the distro will remember like the brightness that we set up right after we reboot. That will be better for this one, but I cannot find that solution. So just this one, you can adjust the automatically when we boot the brightness. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.